Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost videos on TikTok without watermark. If you want to repost TikTok videos without the watermark, here's the fastest and easiest way to do it. So to start, open TikTok, find the video and tap on the share icon right here, the arrow one, and tap on copy. Now once you do that, open your browser and go to snaptik.app or similar one. So open TikTok downloader site and right here paste TikTok link. So press Ctrl V to paste the link and tap on download. So this will download your TikTok video without watermark. So tap on download video HD and now the video will be downloaded to your computer. Now what you can do next is to go back to TikTok. At the left side, click on upload. So tap on select videos and select the video we just downloaded. So put in here your description, hashtags, or you can mention the original creator in the caption. You can also tag them, but that's optional. So that keeps it safe and respectful. So down here, choose when to post the video, who can watch this video. You can check the music for copyright. You can check the content. Now, once everything is settled, click on post. And that's basically it. You can now repost TikTok videos without watermark in just a few steps. Thanks for watching.